Hey, what's going on everybody? In today's video, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of my supercharged wide-body Miata that got over 1 million views on YouTube. So starting with the exterior of the car, I have an eBay front lip and an eBay rear deck spoiler, carbon Miata fender flares, MST time attack wheels that are 15x8 plus 0, wrapped in 225 Falken RT660s. I also got some smaller stuff around the car like these smoked out turn signals, LED headlights, and an F1 style rear brake light. I also painted the exterior of the car red using Rustoleum spray cans. For the top, I don't have a soft top anymore, but I do have a GJR bikini top. Moving on to the engine, I have a Kraftwerks Supercharger Kit with 350cc injectors, and to manage all of that, I'm using a Trackdog fuel and timing card. Cooling the car is a eBay aluminum radiator, and I also have a Moroso Oil Catch Can. The car makes, I imagine, around 160 or so wheel horsepower, but this is based off of a dyno app and not an actual dyno, so can't really confirm, but it feels way quicker than it did stock, that's for sure. For the exhaust, I have a Monzo replica exhaust with a cherry bomb resonator, but it's still pretty loud. Moving on to the interior, I have a personal Grinta steering wheel on an eBay replica Kyostar short hub. For my gauges, I have Pro Sport gauges, a boost gauge, a wideband air-fuel ratio gauge, and a water temp gauge. For my radio, I have a generic Amazon single-DIN radio with a screen so that I can hook up a rear backup camera. For my shifter, I have my Corgi shift boot that is custom, and also a GJRacing short shifter. Really awesome shifters. I have a video of it. I'll leave a link in the description. Shout out to GJRacing short shifters for providing me with their shifter kit. For our seats, I have 2 Sparco Sprint seats that are mated to JAS Motorsports adapters. And to hold us in, we got RaceQuip 5-point racing harnesses. We also got a Hard Dog M1 roll bar, which is great because it's a little bit taller, but at the sacrifice of seat travel, which isn't so much of a problem for shorter drivers. But you also can't run a soft top, so I took the soft top out. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. That's a quick walk around the supercharged wide-body Miata. I'll leave a link in the description below to all the videos, including the time-lapse build video that got over 1 million views so far on YouTube. I also am doing a Project M3 right now, so go ahead onto the channel and check that out. And also any future builds that I might do, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.